We're in the heart of Olympic's old-growth forest, which took root about 10,000 years ago. This park is riddled with waterfalls, and we're making our way to one of the most impressive, Solduck Falls.
Rain is what makes this place what it is. Without the rain, you wouldn't have these massive trees or the brush or the moss. So to experience nature, you want to be able to roll with that. Sometimes it's the conditions that don't seem the most ideal that really are the full experience of that place.
Trails like these are the perfect place to practice a technique called forest bathing, or forest therapy, literally immersing yourself in nature. The practice began decades ago in Japan as a way for people to relieve stress.
Before we kind of constructed this civilization around us and built all of these different things that just add complications and stress to our lives, this is where we lived. We came from nature, so when we go back into nature, we can breathe a little deeper. We can release some of that stress, and it is so, so good for your health.
Studies have shown that immersing yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of nature for just 20 minutes a day can lead to increased concentration, improved mood, and better sleep at night.
It's so worth it and beneficial to just take the time to drop everything and find complete silence, not just in the physical space around you, but in the mental space inside of you as well.
Long before the Japanese gave this practice a name, American naturalists like John Muir were praising the positive qualities of time spent in nature.
He said one day in the mountains is more beneficial than a cartload of books. And I really think that's true. There's nothing like getting out and just really experiencing life and taking that step out into the unknown. Each step unlocks a deeper part of yourself, and that's why I think you can learn more about yourself and the world just by simply taking a walk in nature.
Like most waterfalls, you can hear Solduck Falls before you see it, but it's the only waterfall in Olympic that you can experience from above the falls.
Water represents just the unfathomable power of nature, just a thunderous roar that is able to just pound through anything, split rock, carve out canyons. So when you get to witness something like this, it's inspiring for sure.
The native people named this river and falls Solduck, which means magic waters. The river makes its way from the falls down to the Olympic coast, ultimately emptying into the Pacific Ocean.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.